Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss about PySpark and its feature. So let's get started. First of all, let's see about what is meant by PySpark. PySpark is an API of Apache Spark which has an open source distributed processing system used for big data processing, which was originally developed in Scala processing language at UC Berkely. The Spark has development API in Scala, Java, Python, R and support code reuse across multiple workloads. Batch processing, interactive queries, real-time analytics, machine learning, and graph processing. It utilizes in-memory caching and optimized query execution for fast analytical queries against the data of any site. It does not have any its own file system like Hadoop. It supports most of the popular file system like Hadoop Distributed File System, HBase, Cassandra, Amazon S3, etc. So let's see advantages of using Apache Spark. So first of all, it is the first advantage is speed. It runs program up to 100x faster than Hadoop MapReduce in memory, or 10x faster on disk. It claims because it does the processing in the main memory of the worker node and prevent unnecessary input-output operations. The second one is powerful caching. Simple programming level provides the powerful caching and disk persistence capability. The third one is deployment. It can deploy through Mesos, Hadoop via Yarn, or Spark on Cluster Manager. It's user-friendly and it has an API written in popular language, which makes it easier for developers because they hide the complexity of distributed processing behind system. High-level operator that dramatically lower the amount of code required. Real-time. Real-time computation of low latency because of the memory computation. Polyglot. Support programming in Scala, Java, Python and R. So this is all about today's video. Thank you.